University of Santo Tomas, Santa Rosa Campus, and De La Salle University Laguna Campus, and a Mapua University branch only here in Cabuyao. Welcome to the new University Belt of the South surrounding Metro City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Yes, you heard it right. We have the new University Belt surrounding Metro Santa Rosa City, Laguna. So if you want to build a family, have a world-class education, pero iniiwasan niyo yung chaos traffic in Metro Manila, Laguna is becoming the next big thing. For this vlog, iikutin natin ang mga naglalakihang university na twice or thrice the size of their very first campuses in Manila. Just like UST Santa Rosa, De La Salle University in Biñan, Laguna, and right now, we are here for our first stop in Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna, where I graduated, the very first Mapua University branch outside Intramuros, Laguna. For our viewers from the US, Filipinos abroad in Canada, other parts of the world in Europe and Australia, if you are looking for a condo rental business or if you are planning to buy a condo or a lot here para sa pag-aaral ng mga anak ninyo, kung maliliit pa yung mga anak ninyo, or you are planning lang to invest para meron kayong passive income in terms of rental business, very perfect ngayon kasi surrounded na tayo ng mga big universities dito at hindi lang siya usual no na 10 hectares. Imagine 40 hectare UST, 50 hectare De La Salle University na pupuntahan natin mamaya after natin dito sa Mapua University branch, which is Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna. So dito yung first stop natin. Actually, kaya ito yung naging first stop natin kasi dito po ako graduate. So I really felt and I experienced firsthand kung gaano kaganda mag-aral dito kahit na wala ako sa Manila, pero I am experiencing a cutting-edge quality education only here. But alam mo yun, hindi stressful kasi nakikita natin na maraming open spaces, hindi malayo yung bahay, no? Sasakay lang po ako, nagko-commute ako dati, pero hindi ko ma-experience yung traffic, no? Na na-experience dati ng mga nag-aaral sa Metro Manila. But ang magandang opportunity sa atin ngayon, sabayan po natin yung kumbaga daloy ng developments dito sa New University Belt of the South. Kasi ngayon meron tayong mga pre-selling just like kay Zadia na napakalapit dito. Dito sa first stop natin, Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna, only 10 minutes away from Zadia na meron tayong studio and 1-bedroom unit. So from Zadia, mag-e-exit lang tayo ng Eton City, papasok tayo ng Cabuyao City exit, and right beside Cabuyao City SLEX exit is here, Mapua Malayan Colleges, Laguna. Nung college ako, ang meron lang sa amin is College of Engineering, College of Business, College of Arts and Sciences, and College of Information Technology and Computer Science, and of course, the College of Maritime Studies. But right now, we already have College of Health Sciences, College of Nursing, and of course, the E.T. Yuchenko College of Business, which is partnered by Arizona State University. So, I'm very proud with my school kasi nag-expand sila ng mga program offerings and they partnered with the international university just like ASU. So, if gusto nyo pag-aralin yung anak nyo dito, of course, kilala ang Mapua sa Engineering and Architecture, and meron na silang College of Aviation, pwede kayong kumuha ng condo sa Zadia because for as low as 18,000 pesos, pwede nyo nang i-position yung sarili nyo 25 months to pay for studio unit, and then also 35,000 pesos monthly for 1-bedroom or combined studio units. So 10 minutes away, pwede kayong pumisisyon. Ito lagi yung sinasabi ko, no? Habang sumasabay pa tayo sa flow. Hindi pa siya yung katulad ng BGC na talagang sobrang na-reach niya na yung peak. Hanggat meron kayong nakikitang ongoing developments dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, sabayan nyo because this is the golden time to invest because this is already our buyer's market. So we're back in the area of New Valley, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Baka lang malito kayo kasi Mapua Malayan Colleges is in Cabuyao, but technically, they're just beside the border of each other. Nag-iiba yung address pero surrounding Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. So ngayon, pupuntahan natin 50-hectare De La Salle University extension of their main campus in Taft. So sobrang laki at merong sobrang katabi sila na condo project, which is si una apartment na na-feature na natin before. So, we're on our way, no? And before that, no, since naisip ko bigla, I just want to thank you po, Ma'am Sharon Cuneta, the megastar. Thank you for following our Facebook page. I really appreciate it, you know. Lahat naman po ng mga followers, lalo na po kayo dyan sa US, Canada, and other parts of the world. I appreciate you all, but I also appreciate Ma'am Sharon Cuneta's, like, she's super grounded, nag-reply pa po siya sa email ko sa kanya, and I didn't expect it na na-enjoy niya daw po yung videos ko. So, thank you po sa lahat ng followers ko na nakaka-appreciate po yung value na binibigay natin through our YouTube content and our Facebook page content. So, yeah, we're on our way na. So, actually, the address naman of De La Salle University is Binyan. But technically, nanggaling tayo sa New Valley para at least makita ninyo, kasi baka nagtataka kayo katulad sa Mapua Malayan kanina na Cabuyao, Laguna, pero baka naman malayo yan dyan kasi iba na, hindi naman na Santa Rosa. Pero sabi ko nga kanina, no, they are just technically surrounding Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, nagkataon lang na nahagip, no, or na-cover nung kinatatayuan ng mga universities na to is ibang address na ng Laguna outside Metro Santa Rosa. Nagkamali tayo ng liko kanina kasi may bago ng daan. Ang maganda kasi dito, nagkakaroon ng improvements sa mga road widening. So, ang ganda ng master plan nito dahil kinokonekta nila yung iba-ibang road networks going to different institutions and going to different subdivisions. So yung nakikita nyo ngayon na gate, that is Laguna Technopark. Ito yung sinasabi ko na grabe, talagang self-sustaining city itong Metro Santa Rosa, Greenfield, New Valley, kasi bukod sa mga condos, bukod dito sa University Belt, no, at bukod sa ginagawa nilang sari-sariling estate development ng different developers, hindi ka nalalayo eh. If you wanna build your family here, dito na sila mag-aaral, nandito yung technoparks, nandyan yung mga big companies, semiconductors companies like Toshiba, Honda, Procter & Gamble, and right now meron tayo yung madadaanan natin katabi lang din ni La Salle, which is the next Silicon Valley of the Philippines, which is Broadfield Business District. So, isa lang yan sa mga business district na binubuo dito ng iba-ibang developers dahil dito na rin nila nililipat lahat ng mga open spaces. So, imagine, no, living in an area where there are a lot of what you need interconnected with each other, but you are enjoying the suburban community or suburban living with a lot of greenery and open spaces na kahit nga retirement, no, napakaganda mag-retire dito sa area kasi maraming pwede kayong gawing passive income na you don't need to be so active, you don't need to allot much of your time kasi mag-invest ka lang ng condo dito, you will just collect your monthly rental and that's it, no? Meron ka pa ring magiging passive income every month while you are enjoying your retirement home sa na-invest mong lot dito sa area. So, it's just like 2 minutes away from New Valley, no? We're going left na papunta dito sa De La Salle University. So, nakikita niyo yung signage na yan. That is Broadfield. It's an Ayala Land estate, but it's a commercial area. So, as you can see, napakaganda ng entrance gate. So, bukod sa New Valley, bukod sa Southmont na talagang residential communities ang focus, for this one, the focus is commercial lots. So makakakita tayo ng a lot of offices, big offices, tech companies surrounding De La Salle University. And of course, itong building na to, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Una Apartment. So, katabing-katabi niya lang yung track and field and one of the main campuses of De La Salle University, Laguna. Talagang tatawid na lang po yung mga anak ninyo kapag nakapag-invest kayo dito or kapag nag-rental condotel business kayo, tatawid na lang yung mga magre-rent sa inyo na mga taga De La Salle. So, papunta na tayo De La Salle, papasok tayo doon, ipapakita natin how beautiful and how big De La Salle University here in Laguna. We are here inside the 50-hectare De La Salle University Laguna campus, only here in Laguna. And mind you guys, yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa drone na una apartment, tatawid ka lang, you are already here in De La Salle University. And this is not your usual De La Salle University because it houses different De La Salle University courses such as engineering, technology, business, at yung iba, nagiging extension to as a classroom from the Taft students, no? Kasi nililipat nilang ibang mga programs here. Technically, this is really the extension of their Taft campus. So we're at the back of the own church of De La Salle University here in the campus, and I just want to highlight this. Grabe yung open spaces, grabe yung trees, no? Imagine you studying, no, or yung mga anak nyo dito sa campus na to, from kinder to college. Meron silang program offerings. And at the same time, ang gusto ko dito sa area na to is that, yun nga yung sinasabi ko, no, yung available na condo unit dito, nakagitna siya. Si una apartment, nandito si De La Salle University, and nandito si Broadfield Business District na magiging Silicon Valley of the Philippines. So imagine yung market value appreciation in the future na ngayon under construction pa lang siya. Nag-top off na yung Tower 1 but we still have a lot of units left in Tower 2. So imagine kapag sumabay kayo, the studio units are only at 26,000 pesos per month for 30 months kapag nag 10% spot payment tayo sa unahan, at yung one bedroom as low as 29,000 pesos for 30 months after our spot down payment sa unahan. So this is not your usual condo. It's a LEED and BERDE certified. We are at the top tier segment, no, yung mga high-end segment natin for Arthaland. And imagine, no, if you are very loyal kay Zadia, na ako bumili din ako kay Zadia, malapit lang din dito si Zadia, about 5 minutes away. Ang maganda kay Zadia, you're hitting two birds, no? Because Zadia, the nearest is UST Santa Rosa, i-feature natin yan mamaya, kasunod si UST after nito, but you are still accessible kay De La Salle, and actually, accessible ka din kay Mapua University Laguna. So, Zadia is in the middle of 3 big universities here. So, ang ganda, ang dami niyong mapagpipilian, and at the same time, knowing na ang lalaki ng mga campuses na ini-invest dito, hindi lang 20 hectares. Imagine, 50-hectare De La Salle University Laguna campus na nag-house ngayon ng iba-ibang main campuses dito pumupunta. It says a lot on how this area, Metro City Santa Rosa Laguna, how will it be, no? The next big thing in the near future. 5 to 10 years from now, iba na naman yung mukha na to. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, hanggat may pagkakataon kayo, if you are capable, if ito na yung chance na hinihintay nyo, this is the golden time. Kasi ngayon, buyer's market pa. Ang dami pang mga pre-selling stage. Kapag nabuo na lahat ng mga ongoing construction, hindi po natin alam kung magkano na yung presyo in the future. And now, we are going to UST Santa Rosa campus. So, familiar kayo dito, nakita nyo na rin sa ibang vlog ko itong Greenfield City signage. And then itong likuan na to, makikita nyo si Zadia. So nandyan yung building ni Zadia because Zadia is the closest condominium project to UST Santa Rosa. So bukod sa pinapakita namin ngayon, kasi meron din kasing access from Eton City, wherein ang malapit naman natin doon is the lot project of Greenfield, which is si Solent Residences, and then si Trava. And kahit from Zadia, pwedeng doon yung access mo if ayaw mong lumabas dito sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. So napakadaming access niya. And from Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, liliko lang tayo. So, 'di ba, from Zadia pumunta tayo dito sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Sa kanan natin, Soledad na yan, No Valley na. Liliko lang tayo sa kauna-unahang kanto, no? From Zadia, Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, we are already in Santa Elena City. So this is UST Santa Rosa campus will be located. Kaya puntahan natin siya. And we are approaching UST Santa Rosa. So, kung nakikita nyo, Jaire, para namang liblib yan, no? So, under development pa kasi yung mga katabing lots ni UST. But, it will just be a matter of time. Magugulat na lang tayo, sobrang dami ng mga nakalagay dito. So, actually, on your right pa din on your video or left ba, no? Nandito na si UST Santa Rosa Campus. So umuulan lang ngayon kaya hindi na kami makababa, but hanggat may nakikita kayo, yung signature na fencing nila, it's UST. It is twice the size of UST Manila, 40 hectares, and they already built their main building, which is named after the CEO or their alumnus of the Jollibee Corporation, which is Dr. Tony Tan Caktiong. And then ang bilis din nitong William T. Bello building, their second building. So, binibilisan nila yung construction dahil gusto na rin nila mag-open. Sobrang laki nito, guys. And matuwa kayo na wala pang laman ngayon, na puro land pa lang ngayon. This is really the perfect time to invest. The nearest condo, Zadia. So hanggat sumasabay kayo, hanggat meron pang as low as 18,000 pesos per month si Zadia for their studio unit, and as low as 35,000 pesos per month si Zadia for their 1-bedroom combined studio unit, this is really the perfect time. Talagang magre-reap kayo. Kaya kahit ako, dito po ako nag-invest kay Zadia kasi Zadia is in the middle of Mapua University, nearest UST Santa Rosa Campus, and De La Salle University, Laguna Campus. So bukod sa una apartment katabi, no, ni De La Salle, meron kayong option kung gusto nyo mas nakagitna kayo sa 3 major universities here. Aside from 3 major universities here in Laguna, UST, De La Salle University, Mapua University, Laguna, that is why this is considered as the next university belt of the South, because we have National University in Calamba, University of the Philippines, Los Baños, and within Nuvali, we have Xavier School Nuvali, St. Scholastica's College West Grove in South Forbes, and Miriam College Nuvali. This is really the perfect time to invest, regardless if you are looking for a condo or lot property for family building or retirement home for rental business. So, if you want to inquire with me, you may feel free, no, to contact me through my iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account. That is +63927 1851590. Again, +63927 1851590. Business email is thepropertygeekph@gmail.com, and you can directly contact me through my personal Facebook account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Do not also forget not just to subscribe on our YouTube channel, but also to follow our Facebook page, that is The Property Geek. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok, and I hope naiikot ko po kayo at nabigyan ko kayo ng ibang perspective. Bukod sa mga residential communities, bukod sa mga commercial developments, but ngayon naman, schools, not just schools, but big universities here in the Philippines transferring to their new home only here surrounding Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Till we meet again on our next vlog, or baka naman, no, kayo na ang susunod na makapag-invest dito sa area dahil dito ang golden time ngayon, buyer's market, pre-selling stage, hanggat ongoing ang construction dito sa area, sumabay lang kayo and you will benefit. Pumwesto lang kayo kahit isang property dito, panalo na kayo sa future. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful island of the Philippines.